Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia reviews COVID-19 situation in the country amid surge in cases globally. Coordination Committee on International Borders reiterates their stand on border fencing, says fencing should come on zero line and not 150 yards away. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates Shalang CNRT block in West Khasi Hills. And the first Sora International Half Marathon witnesses global participation. Kenya shines in the men's elite category, while India in the women category. The news in detail. Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia chaired a high-level meeting in New Delhi to review the COVID-19 situation in the country. Mandavia said COVID is not over yet and directed all concerned to be alert and strengthen surveillance. He added that the government is prepared to manage any situation.
एक देश के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर अपना दायित्व अदा करता हो, कोविड प्रोटोकॉल का पालन करके कोविड ना फैले उसके लिए कोई मार्गदर्शक सूचना जारी करे, तो उसके खिलाफ भी प्रश्न उठाना मैं मानता हूं कि ये मेरे कर्तव्य निर्वहन करने के लिए बाधा रूप है.
The Coordination Committee on International Borders, CCIB, on Wednesday reiterated that the group is not against border fencing but maintained that the fencing should come up on zero line and not 150 yards away. The CCIB also expressed surprise to one of their core committee members deciding to walk away from them and allegedly accepting the government's compensation on border fencing. Addressing a press conference, Chairman of CCIB, Sukinjai Mirchang, said it was on December 3, 2022, when it was found that one of the core committee member of CCIB, Wansalan Dahar, had taken compensation for border fencing.
Namar ba ni perkat ba nginda perkat sadi pakai ke LSC longkat poe ka ba ya de jembut ka ba ya sokto rei ka banang ap katakan ng slam wala kan takam slam makenaro ipun sai pigi pai pa pinje pigi jing sisya kaduduk mentang mene kendai nakasis pa kitrai jaga ki nonglep ki badan border ki domlang dekat bagi ki de ki gitu ki pasain je competition bal hapok tuat.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the new Shalang CNRT block in West Khasi Hills in presence of MLA Jugur Mirthong. He also handed over the notification to the new BDO of Shalang CNRT block. The Chief Minister said that MDA government has initiated various programs for the welfare of the people and wants to ensure that public services should be accessible to the people. He said that West Khasi Hills had remained neglected for years, but MDA-led government has initiated different development programs in the district.
To work and perform as the block development officer, remember that you are not doing your duty out here, but you are here to serve the people of this area. Do it with passion. Do it with a vision that you are being able to make a difference in the people's lives.
The wet process unit of the Maumlo Chera Cement Limited, MCCL at Maumlo, Sora, which was set up in the early 80s, is currently being demolished since this unit has been abandoned after the setting up of a dry process plant in 2015. While speaking to a section of reporters, MCCL employee Pinskem Lingdor admitted that the wet process plant, which is being bulldozed, is not working anymore, so it has to be got rid of. However, a new plant was set up in 2015. Lindor, however, urged upon the government to take steps to see the MCCL is made operational again at the earliest, which is to be in the best interest of the people of the area. It may be mentioned that the state government's attempt to revive the MCCL by collaborating with a Kolkata-based company is uncertain.
Kadang dia pun juga, buat ia tangya katihi kewa ngiru ngia ia pai kemat paham ta, buat bangi kerban bakap kadang ya tulun, kembala om presiden cooperation kadang wan susu, kadang terus pak, kadang wan kalas pak, kadang kiu arah jalan ya jaton, kadang iyo kam kibriu kubak ngalak kerem biaknya.
The first Sora International Half Marathon was organized today in a major tourist attraction and a picturesque landscape of Sora, which is known to the world as Cherrapunji. The athletes started the marathon in the morning chill from Maukdok village and cruised the course along the valleys of the lavish green Khasi Hills. The event saw huge participation and competitiveness from across the globe. Meanwhile, Adisu Abebe from Kenya took the first place in the elite men category, and Richa Bahaduria from Uttar Pradesh won the elite women category. Secretary Sports Vijay Kumar also took part in the marathon.
जी ये मेरी फर्स्ट टाइम मैराथन थी। बहुत अच्छा लगा, रूट भी बहुत अच्छा था और इधर का फैसिलिटी भी बहुत अच्छा था।
As many as 300 executive members along with their leaders attended the booth Sammelan of 17 North Shillong, which was held in BJP office Red Semthia in the presence of state BJP leaders. All booth presidents gave an account of the progress of their respective booths and the way forward. A number of suggestions came out of the deliberations, and the meeting ended with a strong commitment from all that 17 North Shillong will be a BJP seat. The meeting was followed with a pre-Christmas celebration. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 18.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 7.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 40%, while in the evening it was 61%. Forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DT News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia reviews COVID-19 situation in the country amid surge in cases globally. Coordination Committee on International Borders reiterates their stand on border fencing, says fencing should come up on zero line and not 150 yards away. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates Shalang CNRD block in West Khasi Hills. And the first Sora International Half Marathon witnesses global participation. Kenya shines in the men's elite category, while India in the women category. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.